I was watching the latest RSPL Monday Night Football game between Harbour View and UAFC. Pretty decent game by local standards, with both teams trying to play football. But the intricacies of the game aside, the Maverick was struck again by these two teams being literally at war with the surface. The intent is there to remain organized and to possess the ball and play out from the back. But again, like we've seen in so many local football games over the years, it's like two diametrically opposed forces battling each other. The bad surface is the bitter enemy of good football. The two of them cannot exist in the same space. So it's like major combat for the players trying to play football. And again, despite all the lip service, the average football surface in Jamaica is getting worse instead of getting better. So all the glass house condemnations of the standard of local football and the quality of the local players must be tempered by this crippling and debilitating surface factor. In fact, I think the players in Jamaica deserve credit for playing at the level at which they play on these sorry surfaces. And just to spite, I'm going to ask the question again: how brilliant would Barcelona or Real Madrid or Manchester City or Liverpool look playing on the Harbour View surface? You think Messi and Salah and Raheem Sterling could dribble and cut and chip and slide on these Jamaican minefields?